Hey, great day to you. If you're looking for the best cloud-based tax software for accounting firms, accountants, or bookkeepers or bookkeeping business, then I invite you to check out Link My Books with the special free trial link down in the description of this video. This links help you get a free trial, also free onboarding, so you understand exactly how Link My Books works. You'll be able to ask any question that you have, and you'll find in the description also a special coupon code that helps you save 50% off for 3 whole months. Now, Link My Books is Efficiency Unleashed. Streamline your e-commerce accounting with Link My Books. So save time, build relationships, offer expert advice. Link My Books transforms e-commerce accounting for accountants as well as bookkeepers, providing not just efficiency, but opportunities for growth and accurate e-commerce accounting on autopilot. So save time and money by automating your bookkeeping, all sales, refunds, fees, and taxes accurately accounted for, automatic bank deposit matching with Xero and QuickBooks, built-in support for VAT, GST, and sales tax. So basically, what you can do with Link My Books is it can help you hopefully get less errors in your practice because it's software that automates accounting processes for you. And hopefully in this way, you'll be able to save time, improve your automations, and hopefully, again, get more time for yourself to onboard more clients. Hopefully, again, you'll be able to grow your business. So what Link My Books can help you do is connect the shops of your clients, for example, eBay, TikTok Shop, Shopify, Etsy, Walmart, Amazon, or even Square or WooCommerce, through Link My Books to QuickBooks or Xero for accurate e-commerce accounting. Now, if you want to understand how it all works from A to Z, of course, as I mentioned previously, there's also this free trial in the description with a free onboarding, but also there's a video that myself, Bob Evan, great to meet you, Amazon seller, and Daniel Little, the co-founder of Link My Books, have created for you. In this video, we show you how to use Link My Books to boost your productivity as a bookkeeper and an accountant. And we basically show you how Link My Books works for bookkeepers and accountants. 41-minute tutorial from A to Z. We have an FAQ section. We have a pricing section where we explain the pricing of this tool and basically how it works from A to Z. So again, in the description, check it out. Free trial, free onboarding for Link My Books, and also a special coupon code 50% off for 3 whole months. So if you're looking for cloud-based tax software, then Link My Books can help you. Check it out, get free onboarding, understand what it's all about. It's honestly free. People from Link My Books are going to be glad to help you. And hopefully it's going to help you with your accounting firm or bookkeeping firm, no matter if it's small, big, medium size accountancy. And just be well. Good luck to you. Also, the video that I've mentioned is going to appear here on the screen that shows you how to use Link My Books for accountants and bookkeepers. And again, free trial, free onboarding in the description, and a special coupon code that helps you save money. Good luck to you. It's been Bob Evan. I'm a seller on Amazon, but also an affiliate of Link My Books. If you ever do business with the guys, I'm going to get a little commission from the deal at no extra cost to you. This way you can support my free content, and I'll do my best to keep it free for you forever. Also visit me at bobevan.com. Bye-bye.